how much should you actually spend on NVMe PCIe adapters? Because you might find people raving about the cheap ones, while others swear by the expensive options. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Sabrent M2 NVMe adapter. The Sabrent M2 NVMe SSD to PCIe adapter card with aluminum heatsink. Priced at just $13.49, this adapter caught my eye for its promise of high-speed performance and wide compatibility. If you want a solid, easy-to-install solution for boosting your desktop storage, this is worth a serious look. This adapter supports M2 NVMe SSDs in various sizes like 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, which means you can easily upgrade your system without worrying about compatibility. It connects via PCIe X16, X8, X4 slots, delivering ultra-fast transfer speeds that can significantly enhance your gaming or file transfer experience. And with over 500 units sold in the last month alone, it's clear others are seeing the value here. Now, some users have mentioned that it doesn't work with SATA drives or PCIe X1 slots, which could be a deal breaker for those with older systems. But here's the thing, if you're upgrading a newer build, this limitation shouldn't matter at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and efficient way to improve your desktop storage. Skip this one if your motherboard lacks PCIe X4 support, but overall, it's a great value for the price. Now, if that limitation bothered you, this next one might take a different approach that suits your needs better.
Product number 2, Glotrends M2 NVMe adapter. The Glotrends M2 NVMe to PCIe 4.0 X4 adapter, available for just $9.99. Its affordable price and high-speed support really caught my attention. If you want something that maximizes the potential of your NVMe SSD, this one is definitely worth considering. This adapter turns your motherboard's PCIe X4, X8, X16 slot into an M2 key M slot, allowing for seamless installation of M2 NVMe SSDs. It operates efficiently with speeds that can cool your SSD by 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, which is crucial for maintaining performance during heavy use. Plus, it's compatible with various SSD sizes, ensuring you won't run into capacity issues with newer drives. Given that over 200 have been bought in the past month, it's clear that it's a popular choice. However, some users pointed out that Intel CPUs below the 11th generation don't support PCIe 4.0 speeds, which means you might miss out on those lightning-fast transfer rates. But if you have a compatible setup, this shouldn't be a concern. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts looking to get the most out of their NVMe drives. Skip this one if you have an older Intel CPU, but otherwise, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its flexibility.
Product number 3, Sabrent Gen 5 PCIe adapter. Another offering from Sabrent, their M2 NVMe SSD to PCIe X16 tool-free adapter, priced at $18.99. This caught my eye due to its Gen 5 compatibility, which is pretty impressive. If you're aiming for high-end performance for gaming or heavy applications, this is a great option to keep in mind. This adapter supports transfer speeds up to a staggering 16 gigabytes per second, which is fantastic for anyone looking to future-proof their setup. The tool-free installation is a breeze, allowing you to swap out SSDs without any hassle. Plus, the built-in aluminum heatsink ensures your SSD stays cool, avoiding any thermal throttling during intense tasks. It's gotten positive attention with over 100 units sold, showing it resonates with users. That said, some folks have mentioned compatibility issues with older systems that aren't NVMe capable. This could be frustrating if you're not certain of your system specs. However, for modern builds, this shouldn't be a deal breaker and offers peace of mind for serious gamers. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and ease of use in your build. Skip this one if you aren't sure your system can support it, but for the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, stick around because the next product is just that.
Product number 4, Bjaver PCIe adapter. The fourth product is the Bjaver M.2 NVMe to PCIe 3.0 4.0 X4 adapter, priced at $9.99. I was drawn to its solid build and comprehensive compatibility. If you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance, this one deserves your attention. This adapter supports both NVMe and AHCI SSDs and can handle speeds up to 64 gigabits per second, which is impressive for its price range. It's designed for various M.2 sizes and comes with thermal pods to keep your SSD cool under load, which is essential for maintaining consistent performance. Plus, it's user-friendly with no drivers needed for most operating systems, which is a huge plus for those who aren't tech-savvy. With around 100 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its functionality. However, some users express that the installation instructions could be clearer, which might frustrate less experienced builders. But honestly, if you're comfortable with hardware, this shouldn't be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want reliable performance. Skip this one if you need extensive guidance during installation, but overall, it's a great value for the price. Now, if you want something that can utilize a free slot without blocking others, the last product on this list might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 5, GLO Trends PA09-X1 Adapter. We have the GLO Trends PA09-X1 M2 NVMe to PCIe 4.0 X1 adapter, priced at just $799. I found this one intriguing due to its unique design that utilizes a free PCIe X1 slot. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to install an NVMe SSD without taking up valuable bandwidth, this is worth checking out. This adapter efficiently converts a PCIe X1 slot into an M2 key M slot, supporting a variety of SSD sizes. It doesn't restrict you on capacity, so whether you have a 2TB or 4TB SSD, you're covered. It's compatible with most modern operating systems, which is a plus for anyone with mixed-use setups. The fact that it has over 100 recent purchases suggests that it's meeting a specific need. That said, a few users have pointed out that the maximum bandwidth is limited to PCIe X1, which means you won't get the full speeds available with X4 slots. This could be a deal breaker if you're aiming for peak performance. But if you're just looking to add more storage and aren't too worried about max speed, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you're trying to save slots and need extra storage without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need high-speed access, but for the price, it's a fantastic choice.
We reviewed 5 options, from the budget-friendly GLO Trends PA09-X1 to the high-performance Sabrent Gen 5 adapter. Whether you need something straightforward or a more robust solution for gaming, there's definitely an adapter here for you. Choose wisely based on your setup and needs.